Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Chris Designs, and today I'll be showing you how you can enhance your user interfaces with this infinite logo marquee animation in Figma, right? And without much ado, let's get started. Welcome back. If you're just seeing my videos for the first time or haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It'll go a long way and also gives you an instant notification when I drop a new video. Okay, so an infinite logo marquee is a web design technique, okay, that creates a continuous scrolling animation of logos, and its benefit is that it helps reduce space. For instance, we have a lot of logos here, right? Instead of using, let's say, more than one color or three colors, you could just stick to one and make it animated, right? And also, it's more engaging to view, right? Unlike you just plaster a whole lot of logos and that kind of thing. So, getting started, I have my logos here. Just um, I put them in the group, the logo and a rectangle as a background, right? So first thing we do is to put them in auto layout. You can do that by clicking on Shift A, or you just right click and click Add Auto Layout. Now we want to duplicate each of these logos, right? There's going to be a long loop, so we need to have this doubled, right? Yeah, so you can just click on one of the group. Let me rename this frame as auto frame, so we know what it is, right? So you just click on one of the group, right? Then hit Control A to select all, then Control C to copy, then Control V to duplicate, right? Now you see the logos um, duplicated, right? Yeah. So now we need to create another frame for this auto layout frame, right? Just do that by um, hitting frame selection. Okay, and I'm going to call this frame uh, subframe, right? Yeah. So now I need a general frame that contains all of this. I can actually just do this randomly, but I'm just doing this multiple frames so that um, you can you get it once, right? You don't get lost, right? So I'll just call it a main frame. Okay, so now uh, we have the distance we want our animation to go. Okay, we want it to move from this. You see, I drag on my ruler from this part of my design to this end, right? I don't want it to roll over, right? So I'm going to crop the frame so that it doesn't exceed these lines, right? Yeah, you can just drag your rulers from the edge, right? Yeah, just drag it, drag another one to the side. Yeah. That's by the way. So now let's crop this on the main frame. As the main frame we're cropping now, just drag, 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 drag. Let me zoom in so we can all see. Yeah, and we proceed to click on clip content. Now you can no longer see the other logos, right? Now you duplicate this main frame. Okay. Now what we want to do is to drag this subframe now. You see why I did all those frames so that you could easily see what I'm doing. So drag the subframe so that we get to this first logo that was on the duplicate that we did the other time. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. We're dragging, dragging. Oh, it came out. Just drag little, little. You can even use your arrow key. The arrow key will be slow, just so you can get that accuracy right. When we make use of Smart Animate, one of the properties Smart Animate works with is positioning, right? And we need to make sure that this is positioned rightly, right? You can see the position. Let's see. Okay, we still need to move our subframe. Okay, so we are done with that. Now, next we need to do is prototype. going to make use of components, right? And let me delete this previous component so it doesn't disturb us. And to do that, you select the two main frames, right? And you create a component set. Now you've created a component set. You click on the first one. You go to your prototype panel. You drag the toggle down to the second one, and after delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, make it linear, and let's say 10 seconds, right? That's 10,000 milliseconds, right? Now you click on the second one, take it up after delay, 1 millisecond, smart, not smart animate this time, because if you smart animate it, will just be going to and fro, but you want it to move in one angle, right? Yeah. So instant now. So we are done. The title of our component is main frame, so we go to our assets and search for main frame, right? You could just drag this from here. Oh, um, you go to your assets, search for main frame, and drag this in, right? Now it's in your canvas. Now let's um, make this a flow starting point. That's flow 6, and play it. We need to resize this. Okay, and click on restart. You can see we've been able to achieve our infinite logo marquee. Okay, now this circular rotation was in my previous video. If you're interested, you can check it out. Also, I got a beginner course updated 2025 for you on UI UX design. You can also check that out. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video. As I mentioned earlier, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Stay blessed.